What's up, YouTube? Going to be changing the oil in a 2018 Kia Niro. What you're going to need is OW20 full synthetic oil and a 17 and 10 millimeter socket. So first thing I'm going to do is just unscrew this oil cap right here. That way when I drain the oil, it can just siphon through. And as you can see, OW20. So put the Kia Niro on some ramps, and then I have my drain pan with the caps here that I'm going to need to use a 10 millimeter on to take out the screws. So pretty straightforward. Shows which one's the engine oil and then which one's going to be the filter. So got my 10 millimeter ready to take off those cap covers. So here's the first one I'm going to take off, and then here's that oil filter that we're going to be removing, and then there's the drain plug right here where that red mark is. So here's the 17 millimeter. Going to be using this for that drain plug. Okay, so I got the drain plug out. It's going to take about 15-20 minutes just to let this completely drain out all that old oil, and then we'll be putting that plug right back in. Once the oil's drained out, you can remove this filter. Usually I can get these off with my hand. Just got to give it a good turn here. And there we go. So let that drain out, and then we're going to take out that old filter and put in the new filter. Okay, got the old filter out, and then I got this new Mobil 1 filter I'm going to be putting in. So here's where it goes. It just screws right on to that little spot right there where it's dripping. And there we go. So I got the new oil filter in, and then I'm just going to need to screw in that drain plug. Once everything's screwed in and tightened down, I'm going to put the new oil in. So I'll put in about 3.5 quarts of oil. That's all it really needs. And then take this guy off the ramps. So last thing I'm going to do is just reset the service required indicator. So just going to scroll over to this tab, and then there's going to be a button on the steering wheel. You're just going to hold this down, and that's going to reset it. So hope the video is helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. Definitely will keep uploading more as I keep working on cars.